Hey guys, I wanted to cut a quick video for you guys in lieu of today's celebration that the Mars Phoenix lander has found evidence of water on Mars. And so the exercise that I want to show you guys today is something that we always do. Well, we do a lot with the kids in the neighborhood, or when we go visit museums or schools. It's called the Earth, Moon, Mars, and Balloons. And it's an easy way to demonstrate the distances and the relative sizes of the Earth, the Moon, the Mars, away from where we are right now. So what we're going to do is we're just using regular balloons. So I have a blue balloon that represents, guess what? Earth, right? Because Earth is a water planet. I have an orange balloon that represents Mars, and I have a black balloon that represents the Moon. Now, when we blow them up, I bring in my props right now. So here's the Earth. Here's the Earth. Hold up the Earth. So here's the Earth. So relative size is going to be about 20 centimeters. So we know that the Earth is 12,700 kilometers in diameter. But for us, we're going to do a balloon that's about 20 centimeters. Okay. And so right here, what is this? This is the Moon. Right. The Moon, obviously, it's smaller than the Earth. The Moon is about 3,500 kilometers in diameter, and we represented that with a balloon that's about 5 centimeters in diameter. And then I'm going to bring in the star of the show. This is planet Mars. So the planet Mars is about 6,800 kilometers in diameter. So if you look at the relative sizes, the Earth, the Moon, and the Mars, kids can see instantly how big things are. So because time and time you look up in the sky and you see the Moon, and you're like, oh man, look how big the Moon is. But kids really don't understand how big the Moon is relative to the Earth. So yeah, it's up in space, exactly. So the next part of our exercise is we're going to place the Moon and the Earth relative to the distance, the Moon and the Mars relative to the distance of the Earth. So I'm going to hold the Earth, okay? So if I hold the Earth over here, the distance between the Earth and the Moon is 3.8 times 10 to the 5th kilometers. Now, who knows what that is? But what we've done is we've scaled everything down, and so in our little solar system, the Earth and the Moon is about 20 feet away. So the Moon, go ahead and start walking over there. No, the Moon. You're not the Moon. Keep going. No, the other way. Keep going. That way. That way. That way. Okay, stop. Now hold up the Earth. Hold up the Moon. So the Moon and the Earth are about 20 feet away, and this is about 3.8 times 10 to the 5th kilometers away from the Earth. And so the relative distance, when you look up in the sky, that's where the Moon is. Way over there. Hey, Moon. Now, our next step is we gotta stay right there, Moon. Stay right there, Moon. Don't move, Moon. Our next part of the experiment is placing Mars. So Mars is Mars further than the Moon?
It's on top of the Moon.
We've encountered some aliens. Okay, let's move the Moon in just a little bit. We know the Mars is further away than the Moon, right? So if you go, so the Mars is 7.8 times 10 to the 7th kilometers away from the Earth. So, oh yeah, there's
You're moving.
Okay,
your moon is moving.
Yeah, the Moon is moving. We're equinox. So Mars, move. We're placing Mars. Mars, and here's, keep going. Keep going, Mars. Mars, you gotta keep. Actually, we're not going to be able to place Mars, because if we had to place Mars, Mars would be about 3/4 of a mile down the road, and I don't want to lose my kid like that. So, well, so what this is showing is exactly how far away Mars is away from the Earth. Okay, guys, come on in. And so, if you didn't know, the Moon was played by my youngest son, Caleb. Say hey, Caleb.
Hey.
And the Mars was played by my oldest son, Kenneth. So I just wanted to give you a quick demonstration of what we do with the Moon, Earth, and Mars, and balloons. All right, talk to you later.